Coming up, rumor, nighttime replacement for IllumiNations at Epcot is nearing completion. So guys, you're probably wondering what's going on. IllumiNations Reflections of Earth is going. I mean, it's a beloved, but it's going. Sad, I know. We may be a few short months away from the end of IllumiNations Reflections of Earth at Epcot. As part of the ongoing reimaging of the park, a new nighttime show was always expected, but the new show has apparently been fast-tracked, which is not a right at Epcot, by the way. To debut sooner in the park expansion plans than originally envisioned. The score and vocals for the new show are being recorded this week, according to sources. A still unannounced shakeup in the creative team working on this park's overhaul seems to be the source of this major timeline shift. This may also be connected to the recent and sudden activity in the Wonders of Life Pavilion, which will now be the festival center at the upcoming Flower and Garden Festival. If true, this change would likely mean that the new show will not be connected to the area between Future World and World Showcase. That Disney is about to put up a lot of construction walls at Epcot, as was seen in the concept art on the screen for the new park's vision. What the new show locates so slowly on World Showcase Lagoonwood entire is still no, but it's coming sooner rather than later. IllumiNations Reflections of Earth debuted in October 1999 and is the longest continually running fireworks show at Walt Disney World Resort and any Disney park on Earth for that matter. So now we have some few comments. So first up, Tom Colossus, so I pronounced it really wrong, but Tom has been regularly visiting the Walt Disney World Resort from this time he did 4 months ago. While he made countless visits in the last 20 years, he did not become truly an active member in the Disney fan community until the summer of 2007, when he decided to launch the Walt Disney World News Today website and podcast. Tom has since become an Orlando local and is a published author of Walt Disney World. He's gonna miss it. C says, sad face. Who do we want next? Wedway says, a new Epcot nighttime show would make this summer incredible. Incredibles. See? Kinda get it? Do you think the new nighttime show / fireworks will be here by the summer? Hopefully July? Probably not. That's a little too soon for Disney. Not happening as soon as you think. A new nighttime parade would be a nice touch for the Magic Kingdom. Agreed. They need a new parade. Just a daytime parade. Getting taken away or something. Let's see. The last one comes from I may be even with the minority, but it was time to change the nighttime show. It really was. I didn't see it once or twice. The leaving Epcot song is really sad. So yeah, I get sad by that every year. It's going. You should go while you can. In Epcot, there's this IllumiNations Reflections of Earth CD that I have. You should go to Epcot now and get it before they stop selling the CD. Because then they're just going to make a new CD. But you should go to Epcot now and buy the CD. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next episode of the Disney News. Bye.